What is up, everybody? My name is David and I'm a dental hygienist. And today we're going to talk about the 5 mistakes that you're probably doing wrong when brushing your teeth. Now, if you're new here, I do have my YouTube channel and it is growing. So please do me a favor, go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe to help it grow. I want to be able to have 100 subscribers by the end of this month. Please help me make that possible. Now, I have a little bit of an insight on why you typically get a free toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss when you go to the dentist. But go ahead and comment on why you think that you're getting that for free.
There's somebody I'd like you to meet. Somebody else who has been to prison, who can tell you what it is really like. I'm Prison Mike!
Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Mistake number 1 is essentially brushing too hard. I see this all the time with my patients. They're going ham on it. They're brushing really hard, thinking that they can get all the plaque out and do a really good job. Well, don't do that. What tends to happen is that you might be hurting your gums. And on top of that, if you're trying to impress me before your appointment, I see a bunch of ulcerations around the gums. Ulcerations is basically trauma that you did while brushing your teeth. Don't do that. Do not brush hard. Get yourself a mechanical toothbrush. Mistake number 2 is that you're brushing too fast. We typically tell you to floss and brush, but people brush their teeth for less than 2 minutes. Don't do that. Take your time. Don't rush anything. Most importantly, your dental hygiene. Go ahead, if you find it helpful, start a timer and test yourself to see how long you're brushing your teeth. Mistake number 3 is not brushing all the surfaces. What people do is that they watch movies or they're in a rush and they're going like this because that's what we're supposed to do, circles, 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 but they forget that there's a cheek side, there's a tongue side, there's a chewing surface side, and most importantly, your front teeth. A lot of people forget to brush the front or the corners because they do this, they do that, but they forget the corners. Very important to go ahead and be thorough. The advice that I give patients is divide your mouth. Go ahead and do the right side, do the cheek side, the chewing surfaces, the inside, and then you move on to the bottom. Once you do that, this should take at least 1 minute, guys. And then after that, you go ahead and brush the left side, allowing you to maximize your time and how thorough you are while brushing your teeth. Mistake number 4 is using an old toothbrush. Go ahead and do this. Inspect your toothbrush. But better yet, go ahead and take your toothbrush, and you might think this is gross and nasty, but take it the day of your appointment and show it to your dental hygienist. They can easily tell you if you're brushing too hard, if you've been having that toothbrush for a really long time, and what type of toothbrush you're using. I always tell my patients, bring me your toothbrush because I want to see what you're using. It's a lot easier for me to coach you and teach you with the tools that you're currently using and why you use them. So it's very important to update your toothbrush and make sure that you take it to your hygienist. Don't get grossed out. We see a lot of nasty things regardless, and I highly encourage that you bring your toothbrush to your appointment. Mistake number 5 is flossing after you brush. Hear me out. I know nobody likes flossing.
Oh, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
But ideally, you want to be able to remove ideally, you want to be able to remove the plaque in between your teeth so that when you brush your teeth, the toothpaste that foams up in your teeth, the plaque and bacteria are attracted to that toothpaste, and so when you spit, all of that comes out of your mouth. So go ahead and floss before you brush your teeth. So that's it, guys. These are the top 5 mistakes that I see my patients do. If you guys have any questions or any comments about anything like that, or you want me to go further into detail, go ahead and let me know. However, the reason why dentists and hygienists give you that free toothbrush and toothpaste is because deep down inside, we feel good about giving you something free when you come to our appointment. However, I strongly disagree doing that because we typically give you the cheaper stuff But oftentimes you probably need something that's more thorough. Like I said, I'm an advocate for a professional toothbrush. I personally have an Oral-B. I'll go ahead and link it down below so you can see it. I don't care which one you use, it's whatever tickles your fancy, but at the end of the day, make sure that you're being thorough, you cover these 5 mistakes, and you go to the dentist regularly to avoid gum disease and cavities. It's huge. Nobody really likes going to the dentist, but as it turns out, if you go more frequently, you avoid major dentistry. I'm all about keeping things preventive. Make sure that you go frequently to prevent seeing the dentist. You go to the dentist to see your dental hygienist. So with that said, guys, thank you so much. Again, like and subscribe, help me grow this channel, and go ahead and take a look at the rest of the videos that I have. I'm just a dad trying to figure life out, and I love raising my family, and most importantly, I'm a tech nerd. So I'm trying to grow the channel a little bit more. And again, if you would like this content, let me know. Thank you so much and have a good one. I'll see you next week.